I'm bored. Maybe I should go outside. Okay, let's go outside. Let's go outside. And let's go outside in the backyard. Oh, let's open the door. Holy cow! It's raining. It's raining? Oh, come on! The cat is scared. Oh, kitty. Oh no, it's going in. Hi, kitty. Meow. Meow. This is how I speak cat. Meow. Meow. Okay, that's how I speak. Meow. 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 I know how to speak cat language. Meow. And the orange cat. Meow. Oh, I have to use the restroom. Maybe I should use the restroom or go outside. Ah, the camera. The camera. Oh, I have to use the restroom. Maybe let's jump on the trampoline. I already got wet. Let's jump on the trampoline. It's like the sprinkler. Ooh, it's like the sprinkler. It's actually fun in the rain. Oh, my feet are cold. Woohoo! This is like the sprinkler. Splash! I should turn it on. Nah, I shouldn't. It'll be more wet. Okay, let's get. Okay. Yeah, it's not like. This is not the very first time that I made a video when it's raining. Like Mario and Luigi go to the park when it's raining. Yeah, oh. Let's just do this and do this. What am I even doing? Oh yeah. The bar fell down? Is Luigi still up there? Let me see. Oh, meow. Oh, Luigi's still up there. Look, Luigi's still up there. But the ball fell. Oh, meow. It's really fun outside. Let's go here. The cat doesn't want to come because it's wet and dangerous. And I like standing in the rain. Oh, I want to get the phone wet. Ooh, the phone is getting wet. Ooh, the phone. The camera is getting wet. It might get foggy. Ooh, puddles. I want to jump in the puddles. Splash, splash. It's really fun to play in puddles. Yeah, it's really fun. Ooh, what's this? I have an idea. I should make a paper, but I don't know how to make that. But let's get the leaf and put it there. Look, I put the leaf there. Okay. Whee! The leaf. Look, I'm gonna follow the leaf. Stop. Goodness gracious. Ooh. I hope I shouldn't show that address. fun. My shoes are, my socks are soggy. But, ooh, let's sit in the chair. It's wet! Ah! My bottom is wet! My bottom is... Oh, I'm stuck in the water. Water! Yeah, I'm getting a wash by the rain. I'm taking a bath in the rain. Yeah, I'm taking... Whoa! Oh, that feels so much better. I'm wet. I should get a blow dryer and like blow me. I'm so wet. Is there a train? I didn't know there could be trains in the neighborhood. There could be trains in the... Maybe it's Thomas, the tank engine. I don't know. Could be not. The camera's getting so wet. I don't want it to like, it's a phone, it's an iPhone, so I don't want it to like, break or whatever. But I can always get a new phone and have my, it might end the video. It could end the video and then, like, I can like upload it when I get a new phone too. A boy holding the camera. It's not actually lucky too. But I like jumping in puddles. Yeah. Oh, I have to use the restroom. Should I use the restroom outside? Yeah, I should pee in that puddle. Oh, so don't watch, okay? So, don't watch, and so I'm just gonna leave the phone there, and I'm gonna use the restroom. I hope nobody sees this. It looks like soap. Okay, so I used the restroom outside, and it was a good one. I hope I don't. Why did I even get? Oh, should I go in? Oh no! This, I used the number 1 in there. We should not really talk about that. It's really fun outside. Maybe I should climb up a tree. Oh, mud. I should climb it up. Oh. But I shouldn't go in there again. See, it's not that bad outside. This part is not really wet. Ooh! What the? The trampoline? It turned blue? It turned old. Okay, don't get the phone wet in those big ones. Okay, passed over to those. I know, soggy. That's what happens when I go in. It feels like that sometimes when I go in like the water levels, and it got hotter. And it got way hotter. With a camera. Oh, kitty! 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 Kitty, kitty, kitty. Meow. get him some food. Just got tired, and it's really fun outside. Like, I should get some food. And it's really cold. They're going outside. They're going inside because they actually are outside. So I hope they get food. Have food. Could be something. And kitties. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitties. Come in. Come out. To get your food. Okay, here's your food. Ooh. It was already fun outside. I should get dried up. It was really fun outside. And it's raining, so it's really so fun. And it's really fun to be outside. So, bye-bye. See you soon.